Welcome to Cameroon, a country of rainforests, mountains, and one dark secret hidden behind its beauty. Cameroon uses the Central African CFA Franc, a currency shared by several African nations. Its notes reflect agriculture, industry, and the region's diverse cultures. But behind Cameroon's beauty lies a dark, often hidden truth: the Anglophone crisis. For years, English-speaking regions have faced deep political tensions, shutdowns, displacement, and instability. What started as peaceful protests turned into one of Cameroon's most painful modern conflicts. The crisis has forced schools to close, families to flee, and communities to live in uncertainty. A silent struggle most of the world never sees. Cameroon's currency tells its history, but the people carry a story much deeper. Want all Cameroonian banknotes in a PDF? Check the description and the pinned comment.